Top of the good morning to you, everybody. How are you today? Alrighty, today I'm doing a 1920s inspired look. So they were big on the blush right in the center with the big red lips. So I'm just going to go back to my Laura Lee glazed palette. And I'm just going to go into the rose all day here because it's a shimmer, it's a highlighter blush. So I'm gonna hope that this works, which will give it a bit of shine as well as that peachy look, which it does. Look at that. Wow. Wow. I love this palette. This is one of my faves, this Laura Lee palette. Obviously we are almost like in costume, so I'm putting on these beautiful, look at them, cameo style earrings. Tank's down here with a little bit to say, as usual. I'm just wearing a bit of Clinique today. Clinique Redness Solutions, because I got a bit of rosacea, so it just takes the rosacea away, or hides it anyway. Just gonna twirl my hair around. Loving my extensions, they're just amazing. And then I'll just tie it in a knot. And then I'm going to pull it through, bring it back around, and just use this pearl clip. It was actually given to me, or gifted to me, by the lovely Urshi Hair. And it has a little clip in there to the side, but the piece de resistance to top the look off. Nah, how cute, right? So oh, that is so cool. I love the way they dressed back then. Stunning. How gorge. There you go, guys. I will list all the products used below to come up with the look. Just a little bit of a smoky eye, bold red lip, glossy cheeks, because they always had them in the center of their cheeks. And this is just a Rimmel Oh My Gloss Plump lipstick. All right, guys, thank you as always for tuning in. You're all absolute legends. Take care of you, and I'll catch you again soon. Mwah.